Rosa Moceniga is a beautiful project that takes inspiration from a fascinating and original Venetian rose. A book that narrates its history and origins and a botanical project with the creation of a rose garden in Villa Brandolini di Vistorta in the countryside of Venice. But overall, the Merchant of Venice carried out this effective project with an enormous historical heritage and added an outstanding new fragrance to the emblematic Murano collection. Rosa Moceniga aims to enclose the unique scent of this particular flower in a precious flacon.